Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2008 BMW 128 convertible. Car is gorgeous. Trying to do this in the photo booth today. I got pretty good lighting, but it snowed outside last night, so hopefully it looks out fine for you. Car is damage free. We've checklisted the car. It checklists fine. Brakes are great. Tires are really good and thick on it. I'll show you everything about it. It's got a car cover inside, cloth top. I'll give you it up to look close on the top. I'm gonna walk in front of the light here, so sorry about the shadows. Paint condition wise is really nice. Here's a look at the top. I'll take it down for you shortly. It's got a glass rear window in it, which is standard on the BMW. Let me show you more. This is the way to have a BMW. Put it with the roof down. Like I said, it came with a car cover. Previous customer left it in it. We'll take it out. I'll show you the back seats on it. It has beige interior. They're in great shape. I'll give you a really close look on it. 6-speed, of course. That's the roadside assistance package. I haven't even cleaned the car. Just got it on trade. Power top went down just fine. Here's a look from the other direction. Pull the car cover out if I can get it out. So the windscreen's in the back seat. Rear seats look great. Car is an exceptional automobile. $52,934 for mileage. CD player, of course. Automatic temp. Controls for the roof. Car does not smell like smoke. Call me on this one. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you. Even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.